experiment, friends. We are gonna do an experiment with
aluminum foil, water,
and
whiteboard markers, and we suggest, I think we have a hypothesis that the black one will work the best. A black whiteboard marker, and then some straws. All right. Special guest today. It is
pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Because it's just fun, and it was Lydia's project, and it's a very pink and fluffy unicorn that's dancing on rainbows. Just in case you have a little spill with your water, a ShamWow. ShamWows are always good because they soak up everything. Just in case you have a little catastrophe. Okay, we're not gonna have any catastrophes today.
And then you
want to take your? I'm gonna draw. It's a Christmas theme today, but we can't use the green and the red because we think that's not very good. We think the black is gonna be better. So we're gonna draw Santa Claus hat anyways, and you want to draw a tree, right?
Yes.
All right. Draw your tree a little smaller though this time. Okay.
Do a Christmas tree.
All right, I'll hold it for you. Little sign. By the way, after we're gonna race, and the pink fluffy unicorn is gonna be the judge. I want to pour it in really quite slowly and nicely. Oh, we've drawn a finish line with a permanent marker.
Straws.
Get ready with your straws. Pour it in slowly.
It's staying together.
Stand a little bit better together.
But the ball goes away.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's staying together. Okay, Caleb, is yours gonna stay together?
First time it's staying together.
This is gonna be awesome. Stay together.
The ball's breaking apart.
All right, you're fine. Let's race now. Wait. On your mark. Get set. Go. Caleb won! Big fluffy unicorn. Caleb won! Big fluffy unicorns dancing on Caleb's. Okay.
Almost Christmas now. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we're going to sing a little song. Oh, du Fröhliche.
Okay, it's a German classic, okay? Caleb just sprung that on me last minute, so we're gonna sing. Oh, du Fröhliche, oh, du selige, gnadenbringende Weihnachtszeit. Welt ging verloren, Christ ist geboren, freue, freue dich, o Christenheit.
God sent you Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye-bye. Good job,
I can't stop it.